mayroon akong i-share sa inyo na maliit lamang parte sa buhay ko. Mahilig ako sa sports, kagaya ng volleyball.
Gauna ka.
I am 16 years old. Sa Purok 7, Kapi, Barangay Biton, Hinatuan, Surigao del Sur. I love spending time with my friends. Darling, tutok mo pa. I love listening to the music, and also I love watching movies like, for example, MSA. And also, I love dancing. I'm also OA. In this vlog, I hope you get to know me better and enjoy watching my videos. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Once again, my name is Felix Bigyo.